Hey everybody, it's time for Mailbag Monday. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And this is Fun King 3D. Alright, so this week we have two packages to unbox. One of them actually came in the mail. The other one was hand delivered to Xander at Murph 18, and it just blows me away. It just blows me away, the generosity of you guys. So I think we should go ahead and do this top one first. The packaging is awesome. Xander and I walked around with a garbage bag for a while. You're probably not going to be able to untie it. You'll probably just have to tear through the bag. This is from Keller and John Mack. Just tear through the bag.
I don't want to. The bag's in perfect condition.
No, it's got a hole down here in the bottom.
Oh.
Wow, that is cool.
Wow. It came with batteries.
Holy cow, guys.
Holy cow.
This
Sick.
is incredible. All right, well, don't pick it up by that strap. All right, let's get rid of that.
Holy cow.
Check that out. That is sweet. That is the Parrot, which actually somebody, when we first started talking about drones, somebody told me that that's the one that I should get for you is the Parrot. I'm going to have to...
I hope it's easy to control.
I don't know. It looks really cool. You see, like,
Yeah.
it takes off vertically like this and then flies horizontally like this. So...
That's really cool.
And then the controller, looks like you can put a smartphone on there too. Vertical takeoff and landing plane. Wow, guys. John and Ken, you guys are amazing. This is so cool.
Holy cow.
And extra batteries. I mean,
Extra batteries.
God, you guys are awesome. Thank you guys so much. You know, during these videos, I generally put people's links down in the description. I'm not sure how to link to you guys or where to link to you guys, but I'll figure it out. And then if it's not sufficient for you, you just let me know and I'll change it up. But that is awesome. Thank you guys so much. I'll probably have more fun with that than Xander. I'm kind of sorry we didn't open that while we were in Indiana and fly it around. So yes,
awesome.
absolutely. Thank you guys. That's so awesome. At the point that you guys went out to the car and got that and brought that back in, you know, and handed it to Xander, I knew what it was, but I didn't know what it was.
Wait, what?
Well, they told us it was a drone, but we didn't actually look at it all the way until now, and that's awesome. That just blows my mind. All right, so move those, and we have some painter's tape now.
Yeah.
Now we got blue tape.
Oh.
All right, so this is from our friends over at a Skewed View 3D. Sholm loves to send us stuff.
Yeah.
He really needs to stop. Not that we don't appreciate it, but holy cow, brother.
Don't.
If you guys missed it, Sholm gave us this really awesome legendary Yoda, which has been... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Do you know what that is?
I think so.
No, you grab that one. Oh, it's too tight for your fat fingers. That is so cool. Oh, now you got a shield and a sword. All right.
Oh my gosh, these people are awesome.
Oh. And then apparently we got angry at the letter. Oh, I thought it was two-sided again. Woo! Hi, Glenn and Xander. That's us. We did a shield design for our logo, and we wanted to do one for you two. Here's a couple smaller ones printed on MK3 and large one printed on Tornado. Was going to paint, but looked so good after sanding, thought best to leave and let you do what you want with it. Also, thumb drive has Oh, you sent me a thumb drive. Holy cow. Could have just emailed them to me, but has STL files for both shields for you to print. Have fun. God bless. Show 'em in the boys.
Holy cow.
Thank you, Show 'em and Jason. That's too cool. That had to have taken a while. And I want to know what filament that is. It's a little bit more neon-ish than because this is the current Fun King 3D yellow, and you can see that is definitely a brighter yellow.
So
that's just too cool, and I like the effect. I mean, it looks like it was routed out of wood.
I was looking in the bag, and then I seen this like briefly, and I was like, "How did they get our maker coin?"
It is pretty close.
Yeah.
It's I don't know what I do. Oh, they're down here.
It's amazing.
That is pretty close.
Yeah. Just this thing on the top, and then the Fun King is missing. Wait.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's very cool. Good for the action figures. Oh,
Yeah.
I forgot. I didn't realize we were on that dumb camera. Cool for the action figures.
Here's the Skewed View 3Ds.
Oh, that is cool. That's like a something out of Braveheart, like a Scottish shield.
And then here's the hard drive.
The thumb drive, yes.
Thumb drive.
That's cool. That's cool.
And then
And what do we got in the tissue?
what is this? Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is.
No, look at that. That is beautiful.
It's a gold version.
It is a gold version. That's so cool. I gotta punch that up on the little camera.
Oh
I'll
my
stick your
God.
finger off there. That is too cool. That is painted beautifully.
Beautifully.
That is cool. Show 'em. You never cease to amaze me. We absolutely. You can use that later.
No.
Hey, you gotta recycle.
Ew.
Use the bag or use the tissue. So yes, this is awesome. My fat arm doesn't fit through there, but
I think mine kind of does.
I could totally sport that around. I would love to have that at Murph. I could have been wearing my crown, walking around with my shield.
Okay.
It will definitely make an appearance at IRF and Orlando Maker Fair as well. Thank you guys so much. We really appreciate always the gifts that everybody sends. We love to see what you guys are printing. I would like to know what filament that is, so let me know. Yeah. You have to have your sword.
Oh, yeah, let's yeah, huzzah, huzzah. Okay.
There, now you are official.
Huzzah!
All right, guys, thanks again. Thanks, Show 'em and Jason. Thank you to John Mack and Ken Keller. That drone is amazing. This is amazing. It turned out really cool. I love the effect on it.
Huzzah!
All right, that's enough of you.
Okay.
If you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Then you never miss one of our videos. A thumbs up is always appreciated. There are links down in the description that help the channel out if you wish to do that. There is also our address at the bottom if you ever wish to send us stuff, even just a letter. You don't necessarily have to send us stuff. If you just want to send us a note, that's fine too. If you'd like to have one of our stickers, a self-addressed stamped envelope will get you one of those. We are working on figuring out what postage takes to get a maker coin, because I'm all in favor of putting one of our maker coins in every hand that wants one. So that's it for this week's episode of Mailbag Monday, and it was a fun one. I think we have to go fly a drone now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as always, print on.